Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling the add-in so the tools appear. This is essential. Open Excel, go to File, Options, then Add-ins. Once there, choose Excel Add-ins and click Go. Check Analysis Toolpak and click OK. You do this because the functions and data analysis dialogues are not loaded by default. Make sure to save and restart Excel if necessary, and note whether you enabled the VBA version too. That unlocks some additional statistical macros you may need. Once the add-in is active, prepare your worksheet so the tool works cleanly. Place variables in contiguous columns and include a header row. You then select the data range you want analyzed and open Data Analysis from the Data tab. Choose the appropriate procedure: regression for prediction, ANOVA for group comparisons, descriptive statistics for quick summaries, and set input ranges and labels. Make sure to check the labels box if you included headers. That prevents misalignment and keeps output readable. Finally, configure where results go and which options to enable. Pick output range or a new worksheet ply to keep results organized. You should choose residuals or plots for regression diagnostics, set a confidence level, and decide whether to force a constant. These choices affect interpretation. If something fails, check for non-numeric cells or blanks in your selected range, confirm labels were checked, and restart Excel if the data analysis dialog disappears. That single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.